How to go live on Twitch. You can stream your favorite games to Twitch or just broadcast yourself talking and having from the Twitch app on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So let me show you here. First of all, open Twitch and tap the camera icon. You can also tap your profile picture and then tap go live. And then in there choose stream in real life option available there. After that, describe your stream that is given a title. Next, select an appropriate category. Then finally tap on the Start Stream option available there. The app will ask you to rotate your iPhone in landscape mode. Open the control center and tap the red lock rotation button. Now return to Twitch and turn your iPhone to start streaming. You can swipe left or right on the chat card to hide or show it, and also tap the camera icon to switch between front and back cameras. When done, you can simply tap on the end to end the stream. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.